Kwenzakalani engikuzeni
sila si MK si RAF2 si MK Labor Desk singama formations omkhonto sizothi enough is enough ngokudayisa upoison dayiselwe ingane zethu. Today sizodlula la provincial office yamaphoyisa la kuhlezi khona umkhwanazi. Sizothi kuyena ngale memorandum esoyisenda namhlanje, enough is enough. Abokufika they must go back to their own respective countries bayokwenza lokhu ekufanele bakwenze nabe inganeni zabo. One sinalento ethi kumanje siqale saba namaphara kudayiswa amahunga adayiselwa abantu bakithi abamnyama and abala eSouth Africa. You cannot even get one person ongakwazi ukuthi identify uthi this one is coming from outside the country. All Nyaupe people belongs to South Africa, but the instrument of creating these Nyaupes are not here in South Africa. So I was so shocked to see umongameli wethu naye ethi ufuna ama-foreigners ukwasayinela ama-sponsorship. Si umkhonto wesizwe, si RAF2, si MK Labor Desk, we are saying, Ramaphosa, you must leave the country and go to your own country and do what you are doing here in South Africa. We are tired about the foreigners and they must go.
Siphinde sinibingelele kwikhaya TV2. Wena ke oqalayo ke ungena kuleli khasi siyacela ukuqofa ibutton usubscribe khona uzohlezi uyithola indaba njengoba zinjalo. Njengoba ubona ke evidweni yakho iyo ke iprovincial le ebekuthe imarch eqale le kuKingdon uZulu njengoba yehle ilana ke ebize khona lapho bebizelese khona imemorandum. Wena nje okwakho ke ukuhlala nje ubuke nje lama video alandelayo.
ngenxa yokuthi lana indawo incane bacelile ukuthi bacela siye ngale park bazoza kuthini. It's fine ukuthi sendemonstrate sesiyafika lapha. Wathi ucela siye ngathi uyeza kuthini. Sendemonstrate like it's fine. Siyabona kathi nguphi. Bathi ke yabona ke into file niyazi makombe. Uku-apply imash. Apply imash akukho lula njengoba nicabanga. Mani behavior kanje. Next time so apply imash singayithumi. Akusebenzi yona. Ungahlotha abantu. Izole Iyona sebedemonstrate sekuright.
Iyona. Ngoba bayizwe. Useshe force yawazi kodwa ke yeah, no, hayi. Kade silungisa umonakalo la ngoba senzela ukuthi uEva obekade eze kwimash kuthiwa sohlangane eHoy Park but ama-comrade athi bekufanele sibe la ebekukhona khona ama-case lawa u-50 kodwa ke nayo leadership isikwazile ukuyicontrola i-issue and imnandi kakhulu ngoba ama-comrade omkhonto ane-discipline and ama-comrade omkhonto ayibambile njengamanje siyale eHoy Park la kuyokhulunywa khona la khona siyoqeda ukuthi akungabi bikho abantu abazodayisa izinto ezingekho emthethweni sithi enough is enough ngokudayisela abantu upoison abantu bokufika ngeke sihlonize lokho abantu bala eSouth Africa basenkingeni abantu bokufika so now this is the only way that we can do to ensure ukuthi lento yenzeka njengoba kufanele yenzeke siye eHoy Park manje we call all our comrades sithi asiye eHoy Park but the issue here is the metro of eThekwini who can control the foreigners in this town in this city but we are saying after this march a mayor of eThekwini a provincial chairperson weNkatha ka 18% sithi get out umkhonto is here now uzoyimela wona ukwazi ucontrol the situation bathe bayayicontrol abehluleka so we are here now amandla lo ngena songena ungena basafanele emuva kuqala okay so amdala basikhuluma nathi
siyavalwa nala
siyabuya amaphoyisa azovala la
yekona leyo
hayi macomrade ayihlangani kahle le ubani oyintshaje emaphoyiseni
basamfonela basamfonela intshaba amndoba basamfonela uzohlaba ucingo bese siyangena ukapteni
ngokomthetho phela kufanele kuhlatshwe ucingo ngoba bek-arrange i-frustration yamabomu kusho ukuthi abantu they enjoy ukuthi abantu bakithi bafe bafezweni lapho buka what is this now
ngefika singayi lapha bethiwa bese sila sofika amaphoyisa asephambili futhi ngoba singabi thina bese lapha ngokomthetho Sebedlala ngathi le sesizwe. Vala umkhakha lokho imbolekesisa uma badlala ngathi. Ayikho sife ngomthetho thina ngokomthetho thina bese abe provincial.
Ayikho right.
Ngomthetho bese provincial. Bathi bona indawo incane. Sefika la sevijwa amaphoyisa futhi.
Ngiyona la manje. Mani.
Oh. Oh, subi moto.
Kusokhoma ngabaningi la.
Hayi baningi.
Zela nali.
Sizoyifunda njengamanje sifundela uMajor General esinethemba ukuthi ngoba umuntu wesifazane umama uneyinseka naye kusasa kungaba yezakhe lezi ingane ezifayo so kukhona bazokwenza ngaloko esikusho kula memorandum. I-memorandum yethu ithi to South African Police Service ithi subject agent request to intervention regarding the sale of poisonous food by illegal traders. That's our introduction. We, the eThekwini Region Women's League, are writing to formally raise a grave concern regarding the sale of poisonous and unsafe food products by illegal traders in our communities. Specifically, there have been alarming reports of food sold by illegal foreign traders, particularly Somalian nationals, that has caused serious illness and the tragic loss of lives among our citizens, especially children. The background: the food being sold by these traders, many of whom are operating illegally in the country, has been linked to numerous health incidents, including severe food poisoning and fatalities. These vendors often sell food in unsanitary conditions without proper inspections by health authorities, making it impossible for consumers to know whether the food is safe. This has become an especially urgent concern around schools, where children are the most vulnerable. In addition to the immediate health risk, there are also concerns about the unregulated nature of this trade, which not only compromises public safety, but also undermines the livelihoods of local businesses that adhere to health and safety regulations. Now, sesiza kuma demands. I-demand yethu yokuqala ithi immediate investigation and action. We demand that the South African Police Service and the Municipality Health Inspectorate immediately investigate the activities of these illegal traders and take swift action to remove any individual involved in the manufacturing and selling of poisonous food. Closure of unsafe establishment. That is number 2. We call for the closure of all shops, depots, and food outlets that are selling unsafe, uninspected, and harmful food products. This includes specifically the so-called deport Pakistan traders who are operating without permits and engaging in the sale of dangerous goods. Point 3. Stronger enforcement of health and safety regulations. We urge the Municipality Health Inspectorate to step up its effort to ensure food sold to the public meets the necessary safety standards. This includes regular inspections, particularly in areas with a high concentration of illegal traders. Point 4. Deportation of illegal foreign nationals. We demand that those operating in violation of the law, particularly those illegal residing in South Africa, be detained and deported in accordance with immigration law. This will help curb the illegal trade of harmful food products and prevent further loss of life. Point 5. These traders are circumventing health regulations and selling poisonous food, often under misleading labels or false expiry dates. Point 6. In addition to our concerns about illegal food trading, we would like to highlight the critical need for increased health inspector presence in the eThekwini region. Point 7, which is the last point. We request that the relevant health authorities allocate more resources to conduct regular inspections and ensure that food products are not only within the expiry date, but also safe for consumption. There have been numerous instances where products appear to be within their expiry date on the label, yet inside the packaging, they contain harmful substances. A more robust system of inspection is necessary to safeguard public health and prevent further harm. In conclusion, comrades, the safety of our children and citizens is our highest priority. The ongoing sale of poisonous food is a direct threat to public health and well-being. We believe that urgent action must be taken by both SAPS and the municipality health inspector to address this growing crisis. We trust that you will give this matter the immediate attention it deserves and work swiftly to implement the necessary measures to protect our communities. We look forward for your prompt response and swift action that is necessary to prevent further harm. Sincerely, written by Honorable Pearl Gaza. Major General asondele azosayinela ukuthi uyitholile
Why sign now? Why sign now?
Sorry.
Iphethe umhlonishwa ikhomba. Siyabonga. Congress.